Hello. I'm here doing my education autobiography and um, about what brought me to where I am today and why I want to be a teacher. And somebody said that they were doing like a collage, and I thought it would be pretty cool to do kind of a collage of the different things that in my life, um, from one particular part of my life that has brought me to where I am today. So I picked high school. Throughout high school, I did a lot of different things with a lot of different people, and these are kind of my prouder moments, I guess. This is my high school right here. Um, and to start, I went to Algoma High School, and I worked. Um, I didn't really know what I wanted to be for a long time, and then probably my junior year, I started looking into teaching because I really liked history a lot, and there wasn't really too much you can do with history unless you're a history teacher or a historian, and that's really hard to become a historian and get a job. So I thought teaching would be for me. So just to name a few things, this person is one of the largest reasons why I want to be a teacher, and it's not for a good reason. He was a terrible teacher. He made me hate math. Because he didn't really teach everybody. Like, a lot of people in the school did not like him at all, and he just was an all-around bad teacher, and I really had a lot of bad experiences like him, and I figured that the world needs better teachers. Um, and then I was also the captain of my basketball team and the captain of my soccer team since I was a sophomore, and that just taught me a lot about leadership and how to teach and talk to people, especially kids my age, and even coaches and stuff like that, because you have to interact with a lot of coaches being a captain. And I learned that you can't really tell somebody what to do. You have to teach them and show them, and not everybody's going to get it the first time, and you have to be patient with people and understand that. So I figured those are pretty good qualities of a good teacher, I would like to say. Another thing that I did, I was a TA for Mr. Ranklin, who, if you know, was one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to become a teacher. But yeah, I was a TA for him in his middle school class. That made me understand that there's a lot to teaching that I didn't know, and a lot that I learned to learn more about and understand, and just be in the classroom a little bit more. And then this man right here was my history teacher in high school, and he was a great teacher, and me and him got along really well. And he made me understand that it was good to be like close with your students and have a good relationship and stuff like that, or being close with your teacher, I could also say. And then right here, this was my basketball coach, and when I was in a sophomore, he took me out of the game, and he told me that I was a terrible teammate. And he said that I needed to be a better person and a better teammate to the people on the team, or else nobody was going to listen to me and nobody was going to respect me. And then from that day forward, I thought that I really changed a lot of things as far as how I carried myself throughout life, and just made sure that I was accountable for my own actions as well as other people's. And just, it's a team, and I feel like a classroom is kind of like a team, and you just need to have the respect of authority, and then you need to respect your kids as well. And that was a big part of why I want to be a teacher. So yeah.